Five cons and 5 pros from Yamaha XT1200Z Super Tenere. First, we are going to speak what is not good made on this motorcycle. Or should I say, what is bad? 5 things that I do not like on my Yamaha Super Ténéré. First, suspension is too soft for any serious off-roading. No fabric protectors for the forks. You can find it on aftermarket sale. Second, lights, they are not so bad, but they could be better. When you are on the unknown road at night, you will have to use some additional lights. Third, handlebar is not perfect for standing position. If you like to ride in standing position, you will have to put some risers. Fourth, it is a heavy bike. You will need some strength to move it around when you cannot run the engine. Fifth, torque. Yeah, it pulls, but not like the most of its competitors do. You cannot compete with a BMW or KTM in its class. Now let us speak for what is well made on this bike. And there are too many stuffs that are really well designed. Here are some of them. Please like, subscribe. First, the seat and the sitting position are perfect for all-day riding, even for a passenger. Not too soft, but also not too hard. Good fabric quality and very durable materials. Second, shaft drive. Very durable and easy to maintain. Smooth on any terrain and on the long trips. Third, wind protection. Very good, especially during cold days. Front fairing and the wide tank almost let no wind on your body. Fourth, engine is known as a bulletproof, very durable and easy to maintain. There are many Super Ténérés with some serious mileage. Some of them are near to 500,000 kilometers and the owners are still on the road with them. Fifth, on the road it handled almost like sport bike. Yes, I said almost. It is still big adventure bike, but do not let that fool you. You can go into any curves like with a sport bike. This bike wants to lean for you. Sometimes maybe even more than you will want to. But do not worry, it is a good balanced bike. Very good. Off-road, it is a capable bike, but not like the regular T7 or some of those middleweight bikes. If you are not careful and prepared for that, sometimes it can go wrong, and then underscore yes, you will have to lift it from the ground, and that is not an easy task. Here comes my conclusion. Overall, it is a good touring bike. It can handle some easy terrains, even some tough ones. But if you know how not to reach its limits, it is a limited bike for off-road using. But still, it is a quite capable bike. If you want to mix some adventures and some long-distance traveling, I am quite sure that this is a perfect bike for you. First of all, it is a very durable and reliable bike.